Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd just do a wee daily vlog today because why not? Literally, I don't really have anything interesting planned, just my usual daily stuff, but I thought I'd just vlog. So yeah, I just got up there. I had the best night's sleep of my life. You wouldn't be able to tell with these bags, but I feel refreshed, I feel good, and I'm starving. So I've just got 2 sausages in the air fryer. I went to Lidl yesterday, right? Text my mate, go on to Lidl, what do you need? She sent me like blah 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 bread. So I bought a loaf of bread, but she meant the bread from the bakery. But sure got that too. So now we have basically 2 loaves of bread that need to eat in 2 days. So I have to have bread with everything now. So I'm gonna have 2 sausages with 2 bits of toast, like in a sandwich, red sauce. Lethal. So I'm gonna have that with a cup of tea, and then I'm going to take Spike for a wee walk. But oh my god, lying in bed this morning, the wind. I was like, Jesus Christ, what was going on out there? Then I looked at my phone, it was like 18 degrees. I don't know. But I'm going to take him on a wee walk, and then I need to go to the gym. I'm just sitting having my breakfast here now. If you hear anything in the background, it's Spike, he's right beside me. Thought I'd talk about my new business that I launched last week. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you probably have no idea what I'm on about, but yeah, I decided to become a VA, which is a virtual assistant. It's basically just like if you were a normal assistant in a business or to someone, but you just do it all virtually. And then I thought I'd add in social media management as well, because I know a lot of people. It's my door open. Who's buying? I know a lot of like small businesses stuff struggle with that, just getting the time to do it. So I thought I'd offer that as well. This time last year, I had absolutely no idea what a VA was, never heard of it in my life. But funny enough, I basically was a VA since the start of COVID, and even before that, because of my old job I used to work from home a lot anyway, like before you were meant to. I basically was an assistant in my old job. Like, I can try and make it look fancy, but that is literally what I did. And obviously I worked in consultancy, so I didn't just work for the company I worked for. Like, I was hired out to other companies, do you know what I mean? So I would have different clients and work on different projects all the time, which is what I will be doing as a VA anyway. Like, I'm not just going to have one person, I'll have more. Like, I'll have multiple clients. So I'm used to working with different people, and like getting an email one day being like, you're going on this project tomorrow, see you later. Like, that's what I've done in my old job anyway. It was when I went to Bali that, you know, you're talking to people and you're saying, what do you do for work? Like, how you make money? And people would say X, Y, and Z. And I would always think once they say what they're working, oh my god, can I do that? And nine times out of 10 I was like, nah, I wouldn't want to do that. And then I heard about a virtual assistant, and I was like, what is that? Like, what do you mean a virtual assistant? And when people were explaining it, I was just thinking, like, that literally was me. Like, I was doing that in my old job anyway. Like, that is what I done. And I never just thought anything of it. And then obviously the older I was to coming home, I was like, right, shit, what am I going to do for work when I go home? Like, I need something. So I thought I just got properly into it. And it's really, really, really popular. Like, so many people do it. So I thought, right, let's do a few courses, because I don't just want to think I'm deadly and just go and do it and then not, do you know what I mean? Like, just because I know I've done the work before doesn't mean I know how to be a VA and, you know, that sort of stuff. So I've done a lot of research, just YouTube videos, and then a lot of like VAs, like bigger ones that I've seen on like Instagram or TikTok. If you just write in like virtual assistant on TikTok, like it'll come up. They do like free starter kits and stuff. So download them, but to be fair, they're giving you the free stuff, so you buy the £500 course, and do not buy anyone's £500 course, because that's just ridiculous. Obviously didn't do that. But then I went on to Udemy. So Udemy is like just a place where you can get pilot courses and you buy them like individually. I don't know if you can do like a membership, but you just buy them individually. I found this doll called Erin Booth. Also Udemy has sales like all the time, so her courses were like £60 each, and I got them for like $12.99 each. So I know it's been like £30 or something on courses. And one of the courses was like top skills for a VA, and the second one was like how to become a VA. So I done the top skills one first, and going through it I was literally just like, I know all this. Like, I literally did all this in my work, and I was just like, what the hell? Like, so after doing that, I was like, I'm definitely doing this, because I don't know how to do all this. Like, you know what I mean? I didn't feel like I need to learn anything. I'm glad I done the course because it made me realise that, if you know what I mean. Now I'm like confident if someone was to ask me to do that stuff, I'll know how to do it. And then the other course was more just like sort of your side of it, like how to do contracts and how to invoice people and how to track your time and how to set up your prices, that sort of stuff, which was good and helpful. But yeah, that's all I can really tell you so far. Also, oh my god, see anyone who followed me on Instagram, like my page, thank you so much. Like, it's people who I would never even expect to follow me, like never expect to follow something that I would do, you know, that sort of way, because just like, oh my god, that is literally so nice. Like, I really, really, really appreciate anyone's following me. Thank you so much. But sorry, I'm not following anyone back on that page, and I'm not trying to be a dick. I'm really not. I would love to follow everyone back, you know, as a bit of support, you know, follow for follow. But I really just want to keep that page. When I log into it, I don't see anything like but my own stuff. Do you know what I mean? Like, I don't want to go through my page and like see other people's stuff and then get confused from my own personal page. So I haven't even bought myself back. I don't want to follow anyone. And also, when I start managing other clients' social media, is like, I don't want to go onto my page and get mixed up, you know, that sort of way. So I'd want to just keep my business Instagram purely for that reason. But so sorry, I'm not following anyone back, but I really, really, really appreciate everyone who's followed me and anyone who's liked my stuff and anyone who's shared my stuff. Like, really, really, I appreciate it. Well, if you have any questions on the VA stuff, you can just write to me on Instagram. Maybe down the line, when I'm like a few months in, I'll do like a full-on Q&A about it or something, if anyone cares. But yeah, that's all I can tell you right now. But it's exciting. What's this wind about? Look at the skies, look how blue it is. It's wind. Like, it's windy, which is making it feel cold, but like, it's not cold, you know what I mean? Why is there 1,000 birds in this pitch? No, literally, what is going on there? I'm just back from taking Sway for a walk and oh my god, it's actually freezing. But I'm sitting down at my laptop now and I do a few things. Look at that photo. Everyone has to have that photo. I look so funny in that photo. But that photo is like a medley in shopping centre. So funny. But yeah, I have a wee desk in our like smaller living room that I'm able to do work from. And I also have a desk in like Anya's old room. Anya's room is basically just like half dressing room, half office vibe. I need to sit in this for a while and I'm hoping to get to the gym maybe like half an hour, 45 minutes time from now. I'm gonna walk to the gym because I was in a really good habit. Like, I always walk to the gym, even if my class was 8 o'clock in the morning, I was walking to the gym. See now, never walk, drive every single time. And like, it's ridiculous because like I live 5 minutes away from the gym. So I'm gonna walk because I'm trying to get my steps up too. I've went really bad with my steps just going for walks. I just never really go on them anymore. But I'm gonna walk to the gym and that'll get a few steps up too. And then I'm gonna film another YouTube video today. I'm gonna do the Vietnam version of my Thailand one. But please no one judge me and my movements because I watched a couple of them back and I was like, oh, they're not very good, are they? So if you're a PT, please don't be like, oh my gosh, shape her because I'm not a PT. But I know myself some of them aren't good. Right, I'm just out of the shower yet. I'm just out of the shower yet. I just moisturise. I'm gonna do my skincare. All I'm really doing at the minute is this Paula's Choice thing that I spoke about in our video. A moisturiser, and I have noticed my skin's got even worse since being home. Which is so weird because like surely I was like washing it with like that like water over there and it's not very clean. But maybe it's just why I'm eating at home. I don't know. Like it's not bad like, but I'm getting like bigger spots. Do you know what I mean? But then it's also like I'm a squeezer, like I squeeze my spots, and when I was away I wasn't squeezing them as much because I didn't have like a good mirror. And sorry if anyone finds it disgusting. I love squeezing spots. But now I'm at home I'm squeezing them more, so I'm like, is that why I'm getting more? Because I keep squeezing? High possibility. But I just cannot resist. And I'm like, should I put makeup on? I said, I'm like, oh my god, I need to put makeup on because I'm doing a YouTube video. But I do vlogs and I look like this. So I might just not bother. Put a bit of lip liner on and curl my lashes. That's a really oldie anyway. Also, this Sephora lip balm, if anyone is near Sephora, it's so good. It's like the coconut one. Just one of these ones. I haven't been to America in years and I somehow still have like loads of them because anytime I went I got loads, and then Anya went after her wedding I think and she got me one more. I must actually say to Neve to get me some. Neve's in America. Neve, if you're watching this, can you get me some before you come home? Thanks. Also, I got stuff for my hair. I got my hair cut. It's very short. But I got stuff to help it grow. So I got the Alpha Parf, the hair loss lotion thing. It comes in like wee like container things. So I've got that. So hopefully you can really notice it when I have my hair back. Like when I watch back those gym videos and my hair's like back, you can, oh my god, it's so obvious. I'm trying not to worrying about it, but yeah. Like I don't really like keeping my hair down that much because like it gets greasy because of the gym, but I might do like a half up and half down for this video. I'm getting my eyebrows done next week, by the way. Thank the Lord. But I do like a thicker eyebrow. I don't really like skinny eyebrows. I know this isn't a trend anymore. Everyone has skinny eyebrows now, but it will never be me. Will absolutely never be me. Righty, and then I need something to put these back. See this? Oh, that actually worked. Right, I'm gonna have to put clips in them because they are not staying down. Good as we're gonna get here, folks. I don't know that I need to change my top. So some call. Little setup. Lethal. Does that look safe? Absolutely no way does it look safe, but let's do this. Okay, I'm done. I feel like I rambled so much shit in that, but I hope I can edit it to try and make it sound normal. I'm gonna go set my laptop for a few hours. I'm like, should I have something to eat? I don't really know what I want. But I'm gonna have dinner like early tonight. You know the way I said I usually don't have dinner at like 8:30, but I'm not, like I went to the gym earlier. So I'm gonna have dinner at like 5. So what should I eat now? Do you know what I mean? Okay, not me thinking I'd be able to hold out to 5 o'clock, 5 minutes later. I made myself 2 wraps. Got these mini wraps in Lidl, and then I'm just got them filled with salad and falafel with garlic, mayo and sweet chili. Lethal. Okay, I feel like I've been sitting here for about 10 hours. You know when you're just staring at your laptop for so long and then your eyes start to get like, that's how I feel right now. But I'm gonna go make my dinner, and then I can't with that phone in the background, and then I think I'm gonna go for a walk because I just feel like I need just fresh air, not looking at a screen. And then I hope Finn's coming over. Anya and Gavin usually both have training on a Tuesday, so he comes over, so let's hope they both have training tonight and he's coming over. Oh my god, just sitting here, completely forgot I was vlogging. Bad, but Finn was here all evening He's just away home and I'm considering to make a cup of tea or not. Is it bad to drink like caffeine before bed? Because I'm like, should I not drink a cup of tea? Will it not let me sleep? But I'm so tired. I might get a cup of tea and then just lie on my laptop in bed. Sounds like fun. I'm literally just sitting down now with a cup of tea and this bun. You can do it. Primary school bun. I've got on some CrossFit Mayhem YouTube because after the CrossFit Games is over, everyone does their YouTube videos after. So I'm catching up, seeing all the behind the scenes. And I think I'm just going to go to bed because, oh my god, I'm wrecked. My body feels exhausted. Like, my legs feel really, really tired. Done my 10k steps today, done them yesterday. So feeling good. But, yeah, sorry if this vlog was very boring. But that's just my life. Boring. But, yeah. If you enjoyed this, please let me know and I will see you in the next one. Bye. I can't do my wave because I've got tea in my hand.